Alex Ayala from the Philippines is out of her campaign in Jinshan Open WTA 125 after a loss to New Zealand Lulu Sun in the semi-final Saturday, September 27, 2025. The 24-year-old Sun overcame a loss in the opening set to eliminate Ayala 3-6, 6-4, 6-2 and advance to the finals of the WTA 125 competition. Lulu Sun will be up against home bet Ma Yixin, who ousted Australia Tala Gibson 4-6, 7-5, 7-5 in their own semi-final match yesterday. It was a tough result for the top-seeded Alex Ayala, who failed to build on her own win in the opening set and fell behind 0-4 in the deciding frame. Alex Ayala had gotten off to a strong start, capitalizing on Sun's double faults to take a 4-2 lead in the opener. She won another deuce game for 5-2 lead and eventually closed the set on her third set point 6-3. But Lulu Sun squandered a 2-0 advantage in the second set as Sun seeded number 3 in the tournament found her rhythm and strung together steady baseline rallies to level the match. Alex Ayala came within 2 games of reaching the final, but Sun saved 3 break points and held her serve for a 5-4 lead before breaking Ayala in the next game to equalize. Sun dominated the third set to end Ayala's hopes of another WTA 125. She now holds a 2-0 head-to-head edge over the Filipina, having beaten her in the qualifying stage of Wimbledon last year.
女士们、先生们，掌声送给本场比赛的胜者斯诺武，同时也要把掌声给到亚历山德拉·伊埃拉，感谢双方为